So now we are going to see about comparator circuit. In comparator, if it is used in open loop configuration, means it produces the output voltage either positive saturation or its negative saturation. So this is because open loop gain of op-amp is very high. So the output saturation voltage are denoted as plus V saturation and minus V saturation. It's usually plus V saturation is equal to plus VCC minus 1 volt, minus V saturation equal to minus VAE plus 1 volt. So the 1 volt difference may change from op-amp to op-amp. For very small change in input voltage, the op-amp output switches from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. So though this property of op-amp, it is not suitable for linear applications. It is suitable for various nonlinear switching circuits such as comparators, Gaussian detectors and schematic triggers, etc. So first one, comparator. So in comparator is a circuit which compares a signal voltage applied at one input of op-amp with a reference voltage. So a comparator is a circuit which compares a signal voltage applied at the one input of an op-amp with a known reference voltage at the other input and produce either a high or low output voltage depending on which input is higher. It produces output voltage which is either positive saturation or negative saturation. As comparator output has two voltage level, either high or low. It is not linearly proportional to input voltage. The op-amp used in open loop configuration for a comparator. These are two types of comparator, which are non-inverting comparator and inverting comparator. So first we see about non-inverting comparator. So in this comparator, the input voltage is applied to the non-inverting terminal and no reference voltage is applied to the other terminal. So the inverting terminal is grounded. Sorry, non-inverting terminal is grounded. The input voltage is denoted as Vin, while the voltage applied to other terminal with which Vin is compared is denoted as V reference. In this comparator, V reference is equal to 0 volt. In the non-inverting comparator, if Vin is greater than V reference, the output is plus V saturation. It's almost equal to plus VCC. While if Vin is less than V reference, the output voltage is minus V saturation. It's almost equal to minus VEE. When Vin is positive, then V0 is equal to plus V saturation. When Vin is negative, then V0 is minus V saturation. This is because an open loop gain op-amp is very high even for very small input voltage. The op-amp output saturates the input and output waveforms for a basic non-inverting comparator. So by applying any voltage other than 0 to the inverting input terminal, the comparator can be changed as per the requirements. In such a case, Vin is compared with the reference voltage V reference applied at the inverting terminal. If Vin is greater than V reference, the output is plus V saturation. If Vin is less than V reference, the output is minus V saturation. So this is the basic inverting comparator. So in this circuit, reference voltage is applied to the inverting terminal. Non-inverting terminal. Reference voltage is applied to the non-inverting terminal and signal voltage is applied to the inverting. That means negative of the op-amp. The V reference is equal to 0. The non-inverting terminal is grounded. When V in is less than V reference, the output voltage V0 is plus V saturation. That means plus VCC, because the voltage at the inverting input minus is less than the non-inverting input. When V is greater than V reference, V0 goes to minus V saturation. That means minus VEE. The V reference can be set other than 0 by using a potential divider as per the requirement. Applications of the comparators are zero crossing detector, window detector, time marker generator, and phase meter.